Hey guys, welcome to CodeBode. In this video, let's see last type of operators, that is assignment operators. In the previous videos, we have seen all other operators. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, please go and watch it. The link is in the description box below. So let's see what assignment operators are. So this is our Eclipse IDE, and let's see assignment operators one by one. So the first one is equal to. It is simply used to assign the value to the variable. So for example, int c equal to 3 or int c is equal to 3 plus 2, or assigning the values of other variables, like let's say we have int a equal to 3, int b equal to 4 and int c is equal to a plus b. So here equal to represents the assignment operator. It assigns the value of the expression after the equal to sign to the variable before the equal to sign. So the expression can be anything like a plus b, a minus b, etc. So the next one is plus equal to. The plus equal to assigns the added value to the same variable. For example, int a equal to 3 we have, and we want to add 4 to the variable. What we usually do is a equal to a plus 4. This will add 4 to the variable a, and the output will be 3 plus 4, that is 7. Another way to do that is directly write a plus equal to 4. This will do the same job. So a plus equal to 4 is same as a is equal to a plus 4. So we will print this. So value after addition is, and the value is going to be stored in a, so we'll print a. So the value of a is going to be 7 here. So basically equal to operator overrides the value of a. For example, if I have int a equal to 3 and if I write a equal to 4, 3 will be overwritten by 4. But when we do a plus equal to 4, then the 4 is going to be added to the existing value of a. So similarly, we have a minus equal to 4. So after addition, our value of a was 7. And a minus equal to 4 will again deduct 4 from the 7. It is not going to override the value of a, but it will deduct the 4 from 7. So a minus equal to 4 is same as a is equal to a minus 4. Similarly, a into equal to 4 is a is equal to a into 4. And a divided by equal to 4 is same as a is equal to a divided by 4. So whatever the value of a is, it will be divided by 4, and again the value of division will be stored into a. So after each expression, let's print the value of a. So value after subtraction, and the result is going to be stored in the a itself. So a. Value after multiplication and value after division. Now if we want to find remainder of a value, we have a operator which is denoted by percentage sign. So if I do a is equal to a percentage, or we can call it as mod, a mod 4, then the remainder when a is divided by 4, we are going to get the remainder. So similarly, when I do a mod equal to 4, it is going to be same as a is equal to a mod 4, and we'll get the remainder of the a. So we'll print this as well. Then next is assignment operators with shift operators. So a left shift equal to 2 is same as a is equal to a left shift 2. And for right shift, a right shift equal to 2 is going to be same as a right shift equal to, or a equal to a right shift 2. So if you don't know how shift operators work, we have a separate video on it. Please check it to understand the shift operators. So by now you must have understood how assignment operators work. There are assignment operators also combined with bitwise operator. So if I write a ampersand, that is bitwise and equal to 2, it is going to be same as a is equal to a ampersand 2 or a bitwise operator 2. And similarly for or, so these are the major operators, assignment operators. You can print all the operators value and check how they work. There are also few others which work the same way. You can try for the multiple values of a and understand how really the operators work. So I hope you understood the concept. If you want more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.